In this quick Descript guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Descript's magic editor for both audio and video, and how this tool can save you hours in editing time. Whether you're a podcaster, video creator, or just someone looking to streamline your content creation, Descript's magic editor is a game changer. Stick around to the end because I'm going to reveal how you can try it out completely free with exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. First, let's dive into how Descript's magic editor works. You can start by uploading your audio or video file directly into Descript, and the magic editor will automatically transcribe your entire file into text. This transcription is the key to editing your content. You'll see the audio or video track as text, which you can edit just like a regular document. It's as easy as deleting words, cutting sentences, and rearranging clips, just like editing a Word doc. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Descript's magic editor is truly a time saver. Once you make text-based edits, Descript instantly updates your audio and video files to match those changes. No need to manually cut and splice audio or video or re-record anything. You can remove filler words like or shorten awkward pauses, or even completely replace words with text-to-speech. If you're editing a video, Descript gives you the option to edit the video footage as well. When you delete a sentence, it automatically removes the corresponding video portion. Want to add new footage or even text captions? You can do it all right from the editing screen. It's perfect for people who want to focus on the content without getting bogged down in technical editing details. Another huge benefit is the ability to create multi-clip projects. For instance, if you're putting together a podcast and want to create specific segments, you can easily cut out parts of your recording, move them around, and rearrange them into a polished final piece. And since everything is linked to the transcription, you'll always have full control over the timing and flow of your project. Descript also has a powerful screen recording feature that lets you create tutorials or presentations with ease. You can combine your voiceover, video, and even screen recordings into one cohesive project. Plus, with its easy drag and drop interface, you can fine-tune everything. There's no steep learning curve involved. One of the best features I love about Descript's magic editor is how it makes collaboration easy. You can share your project with a team member or client, and they can leave feedback or make changes directly on the text. This is especially useful for remote teams working on video or podcast content. The editing process is also sped up with Descript's advanced AI. It learns how you edit and gets better over time, so your editing will become faster and more intuitive. Descript also offers a variety of templates, background music, and other creative tools to make your content stand out. So, if you're a content creator who wants to save time and improve the quality of your projects, Descript's magic editor for audio and video is a must-have tool. If you're new to the software, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly, and the learning curve is minimal. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Descript for free by using the link below. But wait, I've got a special bonus for you. If you use that link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial that gives you even more access to Descript's features, so you can dive into your projects right away without worrying about restrictions. If you're ready to get started with Descript and take your content creation to the next level, don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Check the first link below to claim your free trial and start using Descript's magic editor today.